Hi grade 2s, it's another Monday, so we're doing our phonics. The sound for this week is O. It's the same as last week, only this time it's spelled with a W. So let's begin. Row. R-O. Row. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Tip your teacher over the board and listen to her scream. Ah! That's what we used to sing when we were young. Grow. Gr-O. Grow. I hope my plants are growing with all the rain we've been having. Snow. Sn-O. Snow. Olaf is definitely the best snowman. He likes warm hugs. Show. Sh-O. Show. I like to watch shows when I'm very bored. No. N-O. No. I know my work, and I also know that this K is silent, like the other word I learned, which was night. Arrow. A-R-R-O. Arrow. I've always wanted to learn how to do archery. That's when you shoot with a bow and arrow. I think I'd be rather good at it. Rainbow. R-A-N-B-O. Rainbow. Rainbows have the most beautiful colors in them. Have you ever seen a double rainbow? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O. Yellow. I normally color in my sun yellow. Pillow. P-A-L-L-O. Pillow. I love my pillow. It's so soft. And finally, window. W-E-N-D-O. Window. I like to look outside through my window because I can normally see really pretty birds. So that's the end of your phonics for this week. Make sure you practice it every day so that you know it. Bye!